Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me an unbelievable inlay. Beautiful. I don't know what this wood is, but this is like a maple. Uh, this is perfection right here. But he wanted to know how he could like show it off to customers with different color woods, and he mentioned walnut and maple. So I'm going to hit P and put that in the center of the page. I'm going to go ahead and go to Object in Order and put it to the back of the page. Now I have put this turtle in the center of this page. So I nudged it up, and I'm not going to move the turtle again. I'm going to move in my walnut. I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to go to intersect. And then I can move my turtle down. And that's what the turtle in maple is going to look like. He was asking if you could do like a color palette, uh, but color palettes are just color, and to get that grain of the maple and the color of the maple, you've got to be able to do that. So that I do this all the time. Uh, Not really with inlay. I do a lot of inlay, but my hat's off to you. Uh, that is that is awesome. Very beautiful work. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.